old time's sake. I wanna play with Legos. Cause this childhood shit is coming to an end, and I have a hard time coping with it. We're a little older now, and we know some things we didn't know before. Life isn't always easy, and I just wanna sit on the living room floor. Yeah, Gage and Caitlin, Sean and Nick, Raymond and Yanni, come on, let's talk shit. All I wanna do is play like a kid. Shout out to Joshua, he's coming back. And if I could just go back to what we had, the days when we were young, nothing can replace